Hello fantastic people, I hope you are doing great. Today very exciting episode because I will be presenting to you the results of our first community game jam. The game jam has been dominated by a very small hero. Actually, guinea pig size hero, Maximus Jones. The game took not only first place in overall category, but in almost all other categories too. Once you play it, you won't be surprised. Cute graphics, amazing storytelling, attention to details. On top of that, just listen to this cute squeak sound. And oh my god, look at this cutie. Naya, congratulations, you really deserve the first place. In the second place we have Vicot with his Planet Defender. This is probably the most technically advanced game in the game jam. Seriously, just look at those little guys flying around you. The game is extremely satisfying. It's a little bit challenging at the beginning, but once you get a good grasp of it, it's really fun. You should see my face on the third attempt when I finally beat the game. Congratulations, Vicot. In the third place we have my little arcade game called Fire in the Town. You drive this small truck around the town and extinguish fires. Feel free to give it a try. Without further ado, let's go to the next entry. And here we have Moon by Beetchboi. This is the most atmospheric game in the game jam. It gives a little bit this vibe of getting over it with Bennett 40. It's challenging, punishing, but extremely deep. Seriously, the story and the narration are top notch.
But tonight something else happened. One might wonder why it happened or how it came about. Around this happening, however, any explanations were not found. The only thing that was certain was that in this night, the moon no longer was shining on its planet.
Congratulations, Beetchboi. And next we have Othinsson with his aiding and abetting. This simple looking endless runner is extremely satisfying. The movement feels great. The dash is perfect, especially in the hard mode. Great job, Othinsson! And then we have Cat Harvest by HaythemDH. In this cute looking, yet not so cute in terms of gameplay game, you help this little naughty cat to defend his garden from other animals.
Oh fuck!
Great job, Haythem! And next on the list we have Help Me by Bonich. In this game you control two different characters. I guess the game was created for two players, though I have to say that it's pretty fun to play it alone. It really requires good coordination between left and right hand. The puzzles are fun and a little bit challenging. I love the raw looking characters from the prototype asset pack. This is a great example proving that you can have fun creating games, not worrying about the parts that you are not comfortable with, for example graphics. Great job, Bonich! And here we have Exam Helper by MOHI. In this game we help students to cheat during the exam and have to be careful to do not get caught by the teacher. This simple game gives this amazing feeling of those old retro portable games, you know, like you have the thingy and you just perform simple actions but you still have a lot of fun. And I feel we are missing a little bit of those games, like everything is so dense and action packed, and here we have a great game that is relaxing and doesn't require too much involvement from your side. Great job! And those were all the entries to our first community game jam. Thank you so much for the participation. I'm really happy that the event was so positive and full of good energy. If you haven't had yet the opportunity to play the games, go and do so because they are all worth trying. Thank you so much, have a fantastic day, love you and bye bye.